Hi, I'm Mike Duval. Most of you know that Fabtech is known for manufacturing some of the highest quality suspension systems on the market for light trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs. When it comes to their Dirt Logic shocks, there seems to be a misconception that someone else is manufacturing these shocks for Fabtech. Well, I'm here to tell you that nothing could be further from the truth. Fact is, Fabtech's been manufacturing their Dirt Logic shocks in-house since their inception over 15 years ago. Today, I'm going to take you on a rare all-access tour of the Fabtech facility so you can learn more about their design, manufacturing, and testing process and see just why Dirt Logic shocks are the highest quality shocks on the market. Fabtech's engineering department designs every Dirt Logic shock to exacting specs and tolerances. Using only the highest quality materials like stainless steel shock bodies and nitrocarb piston rods ensures superior performance and optimum ride quality, but more importantly, longevity. These shocks were subjected to a 140-hour salt spray test. As you can see, the one from one of the other popular manufacturers fell short when it came to rust protection compared to the stainless steel Dirt Logic. Every Dirt Logic shock application goes through extensive dyno testing to evaluate the proper valve curves needed for both high and low speeds to provide the perfect valving for ride quality you can feel. Fabtech runs Dirt Logics on their race trucks to validate the performance and rugged design. These shocks see tremendous punishment, which provides valuable data and input that goes directly into maximizing the performance of the Dirt Logic shocks sold to you, the consumer.
Hi, Corey Winter here. I race a Pro Light in the ultra-competitive Lucas Oil Off-Road Racing Series. I rely on many parts on my race truck to get me to the finish line first, and having the right shocks is key. Dirt Logic shocks make all the difference in how my truck performs through the big rhythm sections or coming off a giant tabletop jump with a smooth landing.
Dirt Logic shocks are tested on an assortment of vehicles both on and off-road to get the perfect balance and superior ride in all conditions. Each Dirt Logic is specific for an application and has been designed for ease of installation. Here we are at Fabtech's manufacturing department. Raw material comes in and is cut to order. Next, the material goes to the CNC machining center, where Fabtech's master machinists monitor the processes to confirm the parts are made to exact tolerances, ensuring the highest quality product. Dirt Logics are hand-assembled by Fabtech's shock technicians using Viton seals, American-made valve shims, and high-performance proprietary oil. Each Dirt Logic is laser-etched with a part number and code to track the shock in the field. To protect the high-end finish of the shocks, they're packaged in expansion foam to prevent any damage during shipment. While there are many choices when it comes to high-end shocks, there's only one choice when it comes to maximum corrosion resistance and the best possible ride quality, the stainless steel Dirt Logic. So get the best, get Dirt Logics from Fabtech.